All right, today let's go over another component in Destamatic UI. So we have a bunch of typography components here, and typography in web development is somewhat of a pain in the butt because you have to deal with a whole bunch of different fonts, a whole bunch of different styles, different typefaces that are slightly different sizes. It's kind of a mess and a nightmare dealing with all these themes. You typically have like a bunch of big CSS files or one giant, very confusing Material UI theme. And we've simplified this with our theming system in Destamatic UI. So all we're doing here is we're importing our theme element. We're saying define, then we're defining our own typography component. This can be defined anywhere in your repository. And all you need to do to use it is somewhere else in any component, in any sort of component that's using the theme context, you can just use this theme out of the box. So here we just have this theme. The default themes look just like this. We've just changed it slightly. We can make it larger. So we switch that back to H50. It'll be super big. We can also change the color. So we can go like color, set that to red. Let's say we're not happy with this. It's a bit too boring and we want something that's like changing or flashing. So we have this timer observer here. Every 1000 milliseconds, it will flip back and forth between red and green. And let's go ahead and add that to the typography component. We've already set this fixed style, but let's say we want to change it specifically for this component for some reason. Now it's pretty easy to do with Destamatic UI. All we have to do is do style and then define the color and then just set timer. And that's it. And it'll start flashing. Pretty straightforward and pretty cool. So now we have this default component here and we can just go back, duplicate this, and we haven't overridden that theme at all. So we can go down here and we can see that this stays red. And yeah, it's pretty cool.